baby Mira.
Yeah.
Are you thinking about her? Can you say hi to Daddy?
Bye, Mira. Baby Mira. Baby Mira. Baby Mira.
Can you tell us about the picture you painted at school today?
No.
What did you make?
No.
Who painted it?
The family.
Yeah, what colors did you use?
The water.
Really? Is it a pretty picture?
Pizza.
And who's on your yogurt cup?
Good.
Who is that on your yogurt cup? Who's that picture of on your yogurt? Is that a little girl on your yogurt? Is it Dora? Where's Dora? That is her, isn't it? Okay. We're gonna go now. Can you say bye?
Bye.
And wave? Show me how you wave goodbye.
Bye.
Maybe, yeah. And maybe blow kisses? Mwah.
Mama.